Yo, how you get in my room? I don't get no privacy. You see me playing with my slime, right? Listen, bro, the video is not starting yet, alright? Maybe if somebody subscribed, they wouldn't have to break into my house to find out when the next video is coming. You. Pour me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Yo, what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Oh, word. So, we all know that Lil Yachty's song Poland just took over, which means rappers are gonna start wanting to sound like that so they can get the bag too, which means producers are gonna have to start making beats like that so we can get the bag too. Word. So I'm gonna show you how to make a beat like that so I can get the bag too. Word. Nah, I'm playing, but I just wanted to make it just because I seen it going crazy and I didn't get to make rage beats, and this is kind of similar. So without further ado, in 3, 2, 1.
Take forever.
Word. So we at FO Studio now, you feel me? I pulled up the little beat making template. First thing first, I want to just point out, you see the nice little ponytail. I be meaning to show y'all this part of me, you feel me? The nice little word clean cut, but I don't be feeling like it. Word. Now, so we gonna make this Poland Lil Yachty-ish type beat, you feel me? But I'ma make it me, cause you know the motto, if I'm not making my sound, why am I making it, right? So we are gonna start off with the same exact lead that he has with the bass. So I'm gonna show you what that is now. Oh, that's cause Omnisphere won't get out my way, bro. Move. First, I'm going to start off with a C. Oh no, that's too high. There you go. Oh, you text me. Why you so obsessed with me? Oh. Hey, alright. So we're gonna pull out this 1, 2, 3 steps. And then I think we go from that to the G. Hey, I'm not even gonna front. I got it written down here, so I'm gonna stop acting like I don't know what's next. Word. Then we gonna go A sharp, D sharp. So that's what it should look like. It's a C to a G to a sharp to a D sharp to a D. Word. Now it's gonna sound like this. Word. So that's pretty cool. All I'm gonna do right now is throw in the EQ just to kind of keep it in the lows. Come on. Like, why my computer moving so slow right now? Nah, it's moving like a turtle.
I like turtles.
My bad, I know I'm mad close, right? Where? You know, it's be as close as I want. Where? Alright, cool. So I just finished EQing it. I don't know why, but it just sounded like I was underwater for a second. That was mad weird. But anyways, so this is how it sounds. I EQ'd it and all of that stuff. I actually EQ'd it like a 808. I took down the highs up into the mids. Then the second one I boosted hold on. Then for the second EQ I boosted it around 120 and then a little bit around 310. And then I, spaced it out. I threw on the overdrive and then I threw a distortion. I didn't put too much distortion in it because I wanted the vocals to be heard and not manipulated too much. And this is how it sounds. Word. Word. So that's how it sounds. Boom, boom, boom. That's gonna be the first little lead. Now I'm about to see if I can throw a melody or some chords behind that and what we could come up with. Word. So let's get to it.
Take forever.
I'm an L content creator right now because I literally forgot to record the screen and me making this, and it was about to sound. I keep looking over here too weird. Anyways, I ain't gonna get into all of that. But I decided to use a dream bell from what's it called? Citrus. Boom boom. This is how it sounds so far. Right? And then now, boom, put one right there. Alright, so I'm gonna keep that. I don't know, it just adds like a little flavor to it. And I'm gonna throw on a EQ and then a reverb and some chorus as well. Just get it. So that's the second melody. Something real chill, got a little bell in it. I haven't used bells in a minute, no cap. So now I'm about to see what other instrument I can flex in it. Low key and guitar, and then we're going to see. So let's get to it. So next we are gonna do like some chords or something, or like a melody. I don't know, but yeah, let's get to it. Nah, it was nah. Wait. So let's see. I'm gonna try and get. Okay, hold on. Alright, about to go work this out. Okay, so the third melody sounds like this. I had a little trouble with the sound. You know, I found one sound, I liked it, but then I thought about it too much and I lost the idea, and then I had to get a new sound. So stay out your head, stay in the zone. Word. But this is how the new one sounds. I think this is a lead or something like that. Who cares? This is how it sounds. So now you know we about to do the drums. Everybody's favorite part. Let's get to it. Word.
Skxppy.
Alright, thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you liked, please leave a like, and if you didn't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word. So I hope y'all go out. If y'all like a song or whatever, try to remake that beat. You feel me? Cause that's the best way to learn new little styles or whatever, and you stay relevant. Like I always say, don't be scared to try nothing new. Alright. Now, without further ado.